What do Jerry Fodor, WVO Quine, Immanuel Kant, and Donald Davidson have in common? Besides having names that make YouTube's algorithm cry for help, they each tried to answer one of the most difficult questions in philosophy: what is thought? And can it ever be reduced to matter, code, or neural circuits? This is The Limits of Mind, a 5-part audio essay series on the architecture of meaning, cognition, and consciousness. It's not a course, it's not a recycled playlist, it's a carefully structured cinematic journey through some of the deepest debates in the philosophy of mind, made for those who still believe that theory matters. Each video is hosted privately on YouTube, unlisted, exclusive, and only accessible through this bundle. We start with Fodor's language of thought hypothesis. Is thinking just mental code? Then we meet Quine, who asks if meaning can ever be pinned down at all. Kant appears, because of course he does, to remind us that maybe the mind builds the world before the world builds the mind. Kripke challenges materialism with a single word: pain. And Davidson and Millikan close the circle with a look at how evolution, interpretation, and shared norms shape what we call thought. You'll get access to 5 complete videos. The Mind Externalized, The Myth-Making Brain, Is Thought a Machine? Beyond the Brain, Incommensurable Worlds. Each one runs between 7 and 15 minutes, tight, layered, and meant to be replayed. Yes, I made this. PhD in philosophy, years of research, peer-reviewed articles, the whole thing. This is how philosophers get by in the 21st century, turning metaphysics into voiceovers. And maybe, why not, reaching the kind of audience academic journals can't. If you care about the mind, meaning AI, consciousness, if you're tired of clickbait and want something with weight, this is for you. Because philosophy didn't die. It just got better lighting, deeper editing, and a little music underneath. The Limits of Mind, available now on Gumroad. Support the project. Watch the videos. Think with me.